Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video we will see how you can make a YouTube banner or YouTube channel art for free. So if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please consider subscribing. Now without further delays, let's get into it. I'll put a link in the description. You have to go to that link and you will be directed to this website. Okay, so first of all you have to create an account here. So you will have to just click on this free account, and after that just enter your email address. Placeit is the best platform for not only making YouTube banners, but you can also make YouTube intros from here. So I have also made a video for how to make a YouTube intro using Placeit. So if you want to watch that video, then you can click here. Now today in this video, as we are making our channel art, so all you have to do is just go to this design and go to social media. Okay, and after that here you have to select YouTube banners. So here you can see most of the banners are not free. You can just check the pricing from here. Monthly subscription is $7.47 per month, and in which you can just get all of these features. Let's go back to our page, and here you have to search for the free tag. So I'll just scroll it down. So here you can see this banner is free. I will go to the next page and let's select any other banner. So this is also free. Okay, this is up to you. Like this, you can just select your banner. So let's say that I have selected this one, so I will click on this banner, and after that I will simply edit it. Here you can just write your YouTube channel's name, and you can also change the font from here. At the bottom you can write as, so just like this you can edit your banner. And once again, if you want to change the fonts, then you can change it from here. And after that you can also edit the position from here. Let's say that I just want to place it here, and you can also change the color of this text. Now if you want to upload your logo here, then you can do it from here. You have to go to this upload, and from here you can simply upload your logo. So let's say that I just want to upload this one. Here you can see my logo is selected, and if you want to change the background of your banner, then you can do it from here. Now if you want to add more designs or you want to add more details, then you can do it from here. For now I will click on this free download. So you can see that you can download this YouTube banner for free. And if you want to upgrade your account, then these their monthly plan and these their annual plan. So once you purchase any of these plans, then you can not only make YouTube banners for free, but you can also make YouTube intros. Okay, and you can pay with either PayPal or using your Visa or MasterCard. Okay, so for now I will just keep it, and let's just download our YouTube banner. So this will be added to your my download section, and once it's completed, then you can simply download it from here. Okay, so the processing is complete. You just have to go here and click on this download. So this will simply download the YouTube banner in your laptop. Okay, so this is how you can make a YouTube banner for free. I hope you have found this video very helpful. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.